Namaskar. Welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. In today's lesson, we are going to learn that how can you make your dance look more aligned and more cohesive. In Natya Shastra and Abhinay Darpanam, there are so many shlok which define so many detailed movements. But specifically, this shlok defines that how one should dance. So, I'm going to teach you that particular shlok as well as the meaning and how to perform that shlok and how to apply that shlok in your dance. Okay, so let's start. First, let me tell you the shlok and demonstrate it. Yato hasta tato drishti. Yato drishti tato manah. Yato manah tato bhava. Yato bhava tato rasah. This is called Natyakram. So, how one should perform is written in this particular shlok. So, first of all, we are going to understand the meaning of the shlok. So, first line says, Yato hasta tato drishti. So, wherever your hand goes, your eyes should follow. So, it is very simple logic that even when we do adavu, I suggest you to follow the hand. For example, tayyum tatta, tayyum ta. So, if you don't follow, see how it looks. It doesn't look effective, right? So, yato hasta tato drishti. Now, yato drishti tato manah. Wherever you are looking at, your mind also should follow, or mind should be there. It should not be so. I joke about it all the time in the class that you are in the class and your mind is eating vada pav somewhere. That doesn't work. Okay, your mind also be there. When you follow your hand with the eyes and with your mind, it makes a lot of difference. Okay, so see and see. Yeah, so yato drishti tato manah. Yato manah tato bhava. Wherever your mind is, the bhava, whatever you're feeling, will show up on your face. Okay, so whatever bhava you're feeling at that particular point, it will show on your face. So whether you're angry, whether you're happy, whether you're annoyed. So if you try to cover it up, people can see you. Okay, so be very, very aware, especially when you're dancing. You should be attentive enough. Okay, so yato drishti tato manah, yato manah tato bhava, yato bhava tato rasah. When you perform that with full expression, your audience or the people who are watching you will enjoy. That is the rasa, okay, enjoyment. So, if you want really your audience to enjoy your dance, follow this, okay. So, let's learn that, how to perform the shlok, okay. So, one hand is back. Yato hasta with pataka, tato drishti with chandrakala. Now, this chandrakala will become Mrigashirsha as drishti. Do not do this. You have small eyes over here. Yeah. Yato drishti. Now, this pataka will come nearby your chest. Yato drishti. Tato manah. Now, this hand, Mrigashirsha, will go down. Yato manah. Tato bhava. For bhava, mukula, alapadma, with a facial expression or pleasant face. Bhava. Now, this down hand, which is Mrigashirsha, will go yato bhava. So, again, mukula, alapadma, yato bhava. Now, both hands mukula and alapadma. Tato rasah. Ultimate joy. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, do share with your friends, and I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.